Excel Visual Basic for Application is an object-oriented programming language. What it does is that it relies on objects. So this active workbook that we're looking at right now, it contains 4 sheets. And the sheets are objects of the active workbook. And they are also considered to be properties of the active workbook. So the active sheet here is a property of active workbook. By itself, it's also an object. Therefore, it can have other properties. And the property of the active sheet is the name. So the name VBA Objects or VBE and customer orders and so on over here, they are the properties of the active sheet. Now, to change the name, we use the method. And the method is an equal sign over here. So using this method, you can change the name to something else. So let's look at an example. I'm going to bring up the Visual Basic Editor. In this immediate window, I'm going to type question mark. Question mark is like a query. You want to know something, you use the question mark to query it. So here I'm going to type the active workbook. Then moving on down to active sheet. You can think of from moving from the top down here like a pyramid. So I'm going from active workbook to the active sheet. Then I'm going to go down to the name. Enter. So the name of the active sheet is VBA Objects. Here it is, VBA Objects, the name. I'm going to do something else. Instead of querying over here, I'm going to rename it. I'm going to take out the question mark because I'm not querying anymore. I'm going to apply an action, in this case a method. The method is the equal. And then I give it a name. I call it new sheet. Enter. The name here is a new sheet. This is the current active sheet. Let's say I want to change the name of this sheet over here. To do that, I'm going to switch over to VBE, this sheet over here. Then I'm going to bring up the Visual Basic Editor. From here, I do the same. I'm going to change VBE to a different name. I'm going to call it another sheet. Enter. There's the name changed. Give it a try. I'll see you in the next lecture.